What if I told you you could transform your favorite fruits into delicious, healthy treats, simply and with just a few ingredients? I'm Kristen, this is Kristen Unpoisoned, and on this channel we take the poison out of everyday living, and today we're going to do that by making a delicious vanilla banana nice cream and creamy berry popsicles. Take 7 bananas and add them to your blender. They don't need to be frozen or even cold. Next, add 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, a quarter cup of nut milk, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup to a saucepan. You'll whisk it over medium heat, then add 1 tablespoon of arrowroot and keep whisking until incorporated. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder to the blender, followed by your mixture from the saucepan. Blend until smooth. Get your ice cream machine out and pour the blender into it. Once it's done, it's a nice, sweet, soft serve ice cream. It does freeze hard, so let it sit out if you like it soft. You can leave out the arrowroot step from this, and if you do, you won't need to heat the other ingredients, but this does help it be a little less hard and more fluffy. Hey guys, editing Kristen from the future here. I just wanted to jump in and explain really quickly why you might want to make your own berry popsicles instead of buying them from the store. There are ones at the store that I'm sure are just fine. You'll want to go ahead and read the ingredient list. But I have an example here that I want to show you. You know how when you buy from Instacart or something like that and they bring your groceries to you, sometimes they bring you stuff you did not order. Well, let me show you this here. Don't feed that to your kids. Like, once I'm done filming this right here, this is going in the trash because I cannot give this to anyone in a good conscience. I mean, look at the ingredients on this. That is some bad stuff, guys. You don't want to feed yourself that. You don't want to feed your kids that. I mean, obviously, if you're on this channel, I assume that you're grain-free like I am. So there's lots of grain in this. There's, second ingredient, high fructose corn syrup, citric acid, vegetable juice, natural and artificial flavor, all kinds of bad stuff in here. If you want me to go over some of these ingredients in greater detail in a different video, let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, let's go ahead and get started on some berry popsicles that you can be proud to eat. Add 1/4 cup of nut milk and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup to a saucepan. Whisk over medium heat, then add arrowroot and whisk until incorporated. You'll pour the mixture over 2 cups of frozen organic berries in a blender. Blend it until smooth. This sort of worked, but it wouldn't fit in my freezer, so I had to take them out of the molds, so they didn't really keep a shape, but they still turned out delicious, sweet, and fruity. Don't forget, if you found this video helpful, to give it a like because that helps me out a whole lot. And it is very much still summer, very hot, so I really hope you're able to try out these recipes. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Keep living an unpoisoned life, and I will see you next time.